ইংরেজি ভোকাবুলারিগুলো আমরা ইংরেজিতে কিভাবে শিখতে পারি, চলো দেখা যাক। আমার কাছে 5টি ইংরেজি শব্দ রয়েছে, একে একে আমি সেগুলো ডিসক্রাইব করব। প্রথম শব্দটি হচ্ছে ব্রেভ। ব্রেভ মিন্স not afraid to do any work, any dangerous work. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are doing a risky work, but you are not getting afraid. That is called brave. You are working bravely. The next word is quickly. Quickly means in a fast way. Suppose a girl is running in front of you. That is called quickly. She is running. It means she is going quickly. The next word is beautiful. Beautiful means very pretty or nice. A girl is looking very nice. That is called beautiful. The next word is idea. Idea means a plan which comes to your brain or your mind. That is called an idea. Silent. Silent means very quiet. Silent means very quiet or not making any sound. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.